Okay, so again, we're going to create some further text effects in Adobe Photoshop. So T for text again, click once on my screen. Again, I'm just going to type the word piece. Okay, make it bigger. So again, I can type in here, maybe I want that at 1,000. And I think I'll go Arial rounded. Arial. I don't seem to see Arial rounded here. Okay, doesn't really matter what color your text is. Okay. Okay, I need to duplicate this bottom layer. Okay, so control right click and duplicate. Press OK. Okay, so I'm going to turn off that bottom layer so that we can see if our clipping mask has worked. So selecting that top layer, holding Alt. Okay, so I kind of release this icon, or else control and right click, create clipping mask. So we can see that it has worked. Okay, again, if you turn off on that bottom layer, you're not going to see any difference. So the only way that this is going to work now is if we can apply an effect to the text layer. Okay, so down to the bottom to FX, or else double click on this empty space. This time we're going to bevel and emboss. So you need to have bevel and emboss grade. Do you know what I mean? You need to highlight it. And then you can start to choose whatever effect you want to do. Outer bevel, inner bevel, pillow, and so on. I'm going to just do inner bevel. Your technique might be chisel hard. It might be chisel soft. Or it might be just smooth. I'm going to go with smooth. And then you can play around with the depth. Okay, so you can play around with the sizing. Maybe you want more or less of an emboss. Soften it. Actually, softening doesn't make much difference. Direction down means you've got kind of a deboss, and then press OK. And you can see that you've got these bevel and emboss on, off, on, off. Again, you can still change your font. If I wanted to go, for example, Times bold, I can still do that. It's just going to give it a different feel.